So I've been testing out this new product line called Seint. Basically, you put everything in magnetic palettes. Everything is in pretty much cream form, and I am loving it. So it's known as highlighting first, then contouring, and then going over with your overall color. So right here, I'm just highlighting, obviously, AKA concealer in the center of the face. And now I'm taking my main color and buffing it into the other areas of my face where I want more color. I like to go a little bit darker than my actual skin color. I feel like it gives me a healthier glow. Then I go into the lightest highlight, which is your brightening. So this is different from your concealer. This is optional. I just like to really brighten it up in the inner corner of the eyes and center of the face to start giving my face dimension. And then I just give a little tap on my fingers. Then you go into the contour, which is also cream. So a contour is ashier. It's more shadowy than a bronzer. So this is gonna start giving you that sucked in cheeks, a smaller forehead. Again, there's multiple colors for every skin tone and skin range. And notice how we're just using the same brushes just to kind of blend it all in. So next I'm gonna go into my bronzer. This one is going to add warmth. That's different than a contour. See how it's a little bit more warmer? And you put this on the highest points of your face where the sun would hit. That gives you that healthy glow. No face is just one flat color, right? So you want to put those dimensions in. Now I'm going with the cream blush that is also used for lipstick. It's lip and blush cream palettes, a bunch of different shades, and blending that in. Using creams is way more forgiving on wrinkles, aging skin, just looks healthier and more glowy. This is the highlight, just giving you that nice little glow. I don't know what just happened there. A nice little glow on the upper cheekbones. Boom. Did some brows and eyes, and we are done. So easy. I love it.